2018 Ford Expedition. Powerful, controlled, resourceful. Expedition. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power passenger seat, traction control, dual airbags, leather-wrapped steering wheel, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, universal garage door opener, heated steering wheel, trip computer, CD player, heated front seats, fog lights, security system, compass, electronic stability control, rear window defroster, power windows, panic alarm, Sirius satellite radio. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.